everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik again. So I am back and I've got a lot to say today. Alright, so we are going to make a plan together, and I have a very exciting news for you guys. Alright, so let's go straight to the chart. So here we go. We are now in the monthly time frame because this is a new month actually. Welcome February. I hope you had such a great January, and February is going to be another great one as well. So in the monthly time frame for the last month of the January, we have another bullish candlestick. So from the price action of the candlestick, we could have another bullish one. Alright, so that's for the monthly time frame. As in the Elliott wave, this is the fourth wave, so there's a chance that the price would make even a higher high than these ones. Alright, so as in the monthly time frame, we would bias a buy. If you are holding like the real gold and you need to have it as a long-term asset, that's good, okay? But if we are trading as in using the margins and the leverages, all of that stuff, we will have a lot of smaller plans for you before the price even make a higher high. Okay, so let's drop down to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we had a big red candlestick here. Okay, so the price could come back down to around here, which is the demand zone, the first demand zone that it would reach in the weekly time frame. And this, the price have been pushed down from this supply zone. Alright, however, the trend is still an uptrend in this weekly time frame. So let's check the daily time frame. Alright, so in the daily time frame, we had our reversal pattern here, which is the classic divergence here. So the price making a higher high while the RSI is making a lower high. So that's a very clear reversal signal that we had. So that's why the price fell down really significantly. So in this time frame, our demand zone here actually has already been removed. Okay, so that's clear. This demand zone isn't here anymore. So in this picture, I would say that we have our QM sell pattern here. Okay, so we will be waiting for selling to test this demand zone down here. Okay, so our plan would be the QM sell, and that's going to be the second wave of I'll say the corrective mode here. Okay, so this is going to be our plan. QM sell from 61.8, which is around 1920 to 1938. Alright, it's quite a large price range because that's from a very large time frame is the daily time frame. So let's drop down to the 4 hours time frame. Do we have anything? Okay, so in the 4 hour time frame, we would have our supply zone here first. However, I would say that the price hasn't formed a very clear downtrend yet. So if you only enter a trade here because it's a supply zone, I say that's not a good enough reason to enter at this point. Okay, so I'll say I will be waiting for selling, but I would need to wait for the classic divergence as well. Okay, so the price need to come back up and then make a higher high, like 3 highs or two highs at least, but the RSI is not following the price, so it's making the lower highs like so. So what about the buying plan? The buying plan, I would say the demand zone that we would have next is around here. So the next stop would be at around 1840. Quite a long way to go. Okay, so we might have our smaller plans in the minutes time frame, but I will not go deeper than this for a broad analysis for you. Okay, so if you need confirming signals of our minor plans throughout the day, please join me in the BUBI project, and I hope that this master plan that we have today is clear and easy to understand. All right, good news for you is that I am now currently making the English content on our global fan page, so go follow our Bravo Trade Academy global fan page. So the content there is going to be in English, and it isn't just the analysis that I would be publishing. It is going to be the knowledge that you need to know, the tips and tricks on the markets, alright? And it is going to be either the post, so if you feel comfortable on just reading, that's the short post for you, okay? And if you're waiting for the video that I am out explaining all the knowledge and all the details for you, it is going to be there as well. So go follow that page and I'll see you in there. Bye!